I want to show you the difference between pages in WordPress and posts in WordPress. Now, when you are doing a blog, you're typically going to be using posts to post a new story. So let me briefly show you the difference. When you are in your WordPress dashboard, hopefully this is what screen you are seeing. If you're not, you can email me and ask me where this is. But you'll see that you have the option to add a new post or add a new page. And where these are going really makes the difference in what you want to choose. When you select a post, this is for adding a new story. So on your assignments, once you've got your website set up, you should be selecting posts to create your new blog stories. When you are setting up your website, you want to choose pages for your navigation. Now let me show you where that is if you're not familiar. As you can see here on your website, you have selected pages for each new story. Now you had to, obviously because this is in the menu bar, make these headlines short. But this is very limiting to you when you want to actually give your story a headline, because whatever headline you give it in the window, in the little field box, is going to show up here in the navigation. That is why you want to choose posts to create a new story. So when you want to create a new story, you choose posts. When you want to create a new page on a website, you would choose pages. As you can see here, this is on my website. This gives you an example. These are different pages that I have set up on my website. They're one word, navigation. They show up in your menu on your navigation. But when I have created a new story, I've selected posts, and that creates, as you can see, a difference here. The headline is in the URL. The headline stands out according to the template format, but it obviously doesn't show up in the menu bar here because it's not a page, it is a post. So I hope that clarifies the difference for you. So when you're creating a story, again, you want to select posts, not pages, and that'll free you up to create the headlines that you want to create.